Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and customize the dynamic bar on Infinix smartphones. This feature is the Infinix's take on interactive notch, which allows you to see imported service information like call duration, charging status, face unlock status and other stuff. And it allows you to do it in very sleek and concise way right at the top of the screen right here, which makes your phone feel a bit modern, and also it will make the whole process a bit more convenient, because you won't be needed to open any applications to check the status of some stuff. Right here, it will just pop up right here at the top of the screen. So let's dive in. First thing we need to do is to open the settings on our Infinix phone, and you can do it by finding the settings icon and tapping on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called special function. And once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called dynamic bar and tap on it. And if the option is disabled, you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And once the switch flicks on and it turns green, it means that the feature is enabled. And once you enable the feature, you will see more options appear right here under the dynamic bar. Basically, we can customize which notification type will appear or not when you do something. So face unlock shows you the status of the face unlock, of course. Calls show you the duration of the call. Recorder shows you the duration of the recording. Charging animation shows you the charging status. Media player shows you what's playing in the media player. SMS verification code shows you the verification code right here at the top, so you don't need to open the SMS app when you receive the SMS with the code to verify. And NFC shows you the status of the NFC payment. And you can enable them and disable them by tapping on the switch. And I'm gonna show you how it looks in action. So I'm gonna plug in the charger right here. And once you plug in the charger, you will see the pop-up. If this option is, of course, enabled, you will see this pop-up right here at the top, which shows you the status of the charging and the percentage of the battery. And if you unplug it, it will disappear. But if you disable this option, it won't appear at all. So I'm gonna plug it in. Come on, pop in. Okay. As you can see, the notification is not here. So basically, that's how it works. So enable and disable the options you like, and then you can close the settings. And basically that's it. That's how you activate the dynamic bar on the Infinix phone. Now your notifications will be much more interactive and visually appealing. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. And thank you for watching, of course. And we'll see you in the next one.